How to remove a video from profile grid on your Instagram account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open your Instagram. Then as you see on your Instagram it's opening, you will just go down here on your profile, click on it, then go to the post that you wanna do that on it. For example, this, go to this 3-point, click, then click remove from profile grid, then click remove. Then as you see, it's removed. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. So see you next video.